Hey everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you are new. My name is Tanya with Mind, Body, and Soul Company, and I make aromatherapy bath and beauty products. So today we are making a cold process soap. I call it my winter day soap. So I'm just going to go ahead and get my lye water poured into my oils. This recipe is down in the description box. It is a palm-free recipe. And I do have kaolin clay in here, as well as there was sodium lactate in the lye water. So I'm just going to give that a quick blend. See if I can set that there. So next, I'm going to be adding in some titanium dioxide. Now, the base of this soap is all one color, but we're also going to have some mica lines in there. And along with the titanium dioxide, I'm going to add in some Snowflake Sparkle from Nurture Soap. And we'll give that a quick blend. The titanium dioxide was also from Nurture. Alright, and that is good there. I'm good with kind of a creamy color. So now I'm going to dump in my fragrance oil. This is Sleigh Ride from Brambleberry, and it has notes of orange, green apple, peppermint, and clove. So a real nice wintry type scent. And one more quick blend here. Off. And this fragrance oil is not supposed to discolor, so it should stay this kind of creamy white color. That looks good there. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my mold set up. So we're going to put it on an angle. So I'm just using these little cups to get it to stay. And then we're going to go ahead and pour the first layer in here. Then I'm going to let that set up a little bit, and then I'm going to texture it, and we'll do our mica line. The mica line is going to be done with a Brilliant Blue from Nurture. Alright, so I'm just going to give the top a little texture here. Good. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my mica line. It's a little hard to get in that slanted part there. break the fall here as much as I can. Even that out a little bit more. Do a little more texture here on the top. Go back through with another mica line. Makes you think of Frozen a little bit, but I think it is a real pretty blue. There. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take out my little disc there, and then finish getting my mica line in. All right, and then we'll get the last of our batter in here. Still gonna try to break the fall some. It's not really too big of a deal if it does penetrate, and with the amount of titanium dioxide and that Snowflake Sparkle, which also has titanium dioxide in it, there is a good chance that I might end up with some glycerin rivers. But I think with this particular soap, that actually would not be that big of a deal. Get this blended out a little bit. That same brilliant blue, we're gonna do a little bit of a mica drizzle over the top here. Just put some drops here and there before we swirl it. Good. Then I'm just going to take my skewer here and give the top a swirl. Now some of this is going to get covered up because we are adding some snowflake embeds to the top, but it'll be real pretty where you can see it. That looks good. And then before I add our snowflakes, I have some Silver Hollow from Nurture. We're just gonna give that a real light sprinkle over the top, like that. And now we will go ahead and get our snowflakes on. And these are just gonna go on kind of randomly. They will get cut, so really a big deal where they are placed. And then I'm just going to give them a real light push to get them down in the soap a little bit better without ending up getting soap all over the place. All right. And then the very last thing we're gonna do, this one is gonna be a pretty sparkly one. is I have some moonshine glitter from Nurture Soap. And we're just gonna put a teeny tiny bit of that over the top as well. I thought this kind of blue sparkle would be perfect for this soap. Just add a little extra shimmer there. So we'll let this set up for 24 to 48 hours and then we will be back to cut. All right, and we are back to cut my winter day soap. Loving how it turned out. Here's a little close-up of the top. Really love that icy blue for the winter and the silver hollow from Nurture on top also. Now, I will say the fragrance is nice. It's kind of light, even going at a strong scent. I used Sleigh Ride from Brambleberry, but it is still kind of a light scent. Mica lines turned out well in the middle there. Give it a little something extra. Now, some of these snowflakes that were on the top will get cut, but I think most bars will end up with at least one whole snowflake. Tighten that or oil it or something. It's awful squeaky. Now, I do like the look of snow and, you know, looking out your window and seeing the pretty white snow, but overall, I am not a fan of winter. I like snow at Christmas, and then I am ready for the snow to move on its merry way. I'm more of a fall person. Don't like it to be super hot outside, but don't like it to be frigid either. Really love the look of that mica line. I haven't done a lot of those, so looks pretty good if I do say so myself. And I thought I might end up with some glycerin rivers because of the amount of titanium dioxide I had put in, but I'm not really seeing any, so that is a bonus as well. So what is your favorite season? Are you a fan of winter? Are you a summer baby and like it when it's warm and hot outside? Or are you more of a fall or spring person? It's always fun to hear what other people are kind of into. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and I will catch you in my next one.